They say, I am not loyal. Inti party anka enintini ene they have run it down because you know enye adwuma ho obi jimi chaja minia jimi no ujimi ni betima cost you na so stop it na ya kansi kwamuni ekwayanim diemi I can make one stupid decision. It will affect this woman, my children. It will affect all of you. It can take all of us down. And now they are making count. Yeah. Let me go to University of Ghana, Legon, and sleep with an 18 years old. Maybe let me call a minor, sleep with an underaged. Apart from me going to jail, I have disgraced the name of the Lord. I have disgraced myself. I have disgraced my wife. I have disgraced my children. And I have disgraced all of you in this place. One decision. Just one. Pleasure. My ass in tea. I deny everybody the opportunity to rise. And so that influence, it must be used responsibly. Very, very responsibly. Very responsibly. Come on, light, please. Very responsibly. Very responsibly. Serious. Everybody seated here, you are going to understand that the fear of God carries enormous responsibility. The fact that you are a Christian puts to whom much is given, much is required. Much. As you hear that also, say we are Christian. And you joke. You are Christian. You would deny everybody the privilege and opportunity. The trotro drivers, Juma Umudi or Ghana. Asiafu Oduro no anyene. My come with you. Because I'm telling you, then will be to be tuka. If friends and we must so call Accra, then was started pie. Amasama. We be so call Accra, Aqua Juma. Now what Tinamua be see Amasama. We see so Fabia or taste a mate in Nijin and enjoy pie. Hachimota, Bra, Mosamo Kwa Masama. And then, I say, sister, yeah, Kwa Chimota, Obeko, no, I said to